What's up, guys? Today we are going to speak about 5 push up mistakes which are killing your chest gains. So, let's get started with 5 mistakes of push ups which are killing your chest gains. Mistake number 1, not doing full rep motion. Full rep motion means you need to start up from the top, go bottom, your chest slightly touches the ground, then up, down, up, down, up. Mistake number 2 is doing it very fast. Try to avoid this. Whenever we are going through push-ups, we need to remember one thing, that we should not do it very fast. If you are going through a challenge, how many push-ups can you do in 1 minute or 30 seconds? Then it's okay. But if you are doing push-ups as home workout for chest exercise or as warm-up workout, then it's not fine. It does not affect you much. You need to take minimum 3 seconds to go through down. If you are coming up, you need to come up as soon as possible. Like 1, 2, 3, up, like that. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. Mistake number 3 is your breathing. You need to have perfect breathe in and breathe out while doing push-ups. If you are doing push-ups since long back and you are unable to increase your push-up count, the main reason behind it is incorrect breathing. When I started doing push-ups, I was able to do only 16 push-ups and I did not even do properly, means breathing. When I corrected my breathing, I am able to do 100, 50, 80, 90, 113 in one row. Whenever you do push-ups, from the way up to down, breathe in, out, out, out. This is the correct way. If you do in this way, you will definitely increase your push-up count within 1 to 2 months. Mistake number 4 is not giving enough rest. When I say about rest, you might be thinking 20 to 30 seconds rest between 2 sets. Now it's absolutely wrong. I'm saying that you need to do 2 or 3 days in a week. Means if you want to do 3 days a week, you need to just do Monday, Wednesday and Friday. If you want to do only 2 times, you need to do Monday, Thursday or Monday, Friday. Push-ups are so available that whenever we get time, we go to ground and we start doing push-ups. If we do 300 push-ups per day, morning, evening, night, afternoon, it does not affect much. You need to do 2 or 3 days. You need a particular plan for 2 to 3 days. If you are doing 2 days, other days you need to do for legs, for biceps, for abs. Like you need to have a particular plan on push-ups. You should not do it daily. You should have a perfect plan on it. Mistake number 5 is not making your push-up harder. You might be thinking how to make your push-up harder. You just need to do 3 sets, each containing 20 push-ups and 30 seconds break in between 3 sets. Let's do that. Set 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 30 seconds break. Set 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Set 2 completed, 30 seconds break. Set 3. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Set 3 completed. Doing 60 push-ups is different and doing 20 push-ups is different. This has more effect. I can do 60 push-ups easily, but I was unable to do last 5 push-ups of third set. You need to observe that.